Hey, it's me, Rob, and today I'm here at Epcot to pick up my Passholder magnet, and then we'll just see what else we get into. Come hang out, I'll show you some stuff. Over here's the creation shop. There's signs and stuff too, so you know where to pick your magnet up. And look at this line. It's not terrible, it'll move pretty quick. All right, we're gonna wait in line. We'll show you the magnet after we pick it up. We actually got through that line really quick. Here's a peek at the magnet. It's Hey Hey from Moana. It's pretty cool. Now, since we're already in here, we're just taking a little stroll. Taylor is on the lookout for some new Ahsoka merchandise. I don't know if that's in here or not, though. For it being not that busy in the parking lot, it sure feels pretty busy in this store, I'll tell you that. All right, here's the new Ahsoka stuff. This apparently just released. Oh, that's what you were looking for, is the ears?
I'm not surprised.
This stuff's all new though, right?
Yes.
Let's take a look at this bag.
I want this bag so bad. I want it. I think I want the hat.
You want to get one of these tumblers. $28.
I like this shirt.
Hold that thing up. Hold that thing up one time. It's the same thing that's on the other side of that bag.
Yeah. It's the magic book. Magic book like everything. I love that bag. This is a nice car.
Well, that's pretty cool. I'm glad we got to see that. Okay, we're done
Are you gonna try Beverly?
with Ahsoka. I don't know what I'm gonna try. We're going to Club Cool. We're gonna try some sodas. Looks like it's a little busy. It always is, I know. All these people in here trying sodas. We're gonna try and squeeze our way in here to one of these fountains. This is our favorite.
I'll do it if you do it.
This is our favorite. Hey, you're not gonna pour me one? The cucumber Sprite is our favorite. Okay. And then I'm also gonna try the Beverly. Thank you, help, baby. Fill that Beverly up for me, yeah. Then we'll get out of their way.
There you go. Happy sipping.
Okay. What did you get? Did you get Beverly too?
Nope, I'm still drinking my Sprite.
Okay, well, I'll try the Beverly first, then you try it. All right, this is the one from Italy. It's not bad.
Probably because it has cucumber still in it.
It's not bad. The aftertaste is a little wonky. It's not bad, right?
It's like rubbing alcohol.
All right, I had fun. I'm already over all these people. I'll be honest with you, I am regretting wearing the zip up. It's a little warm today.
I'm cold.
You're always cold.
No, I'm not. I'm usually sweaty.
This one. Looks like we're calling an audible and going into a journey of water. Let's see how well my phone holds up in here. Look how cool that is. After you, Taylor. Oh, wow. That's pretty neat. It is very busy in this experience right now. And there's a little bit of a log jam here in the center. Just trying to get through. And it's a little difficult just because there's no, doesn't look like there's any sort of limit on how many people they're letting in to do the walkthrough. Very crowded in here. It is Festival of the Arts right now. There's all sorts of really cool paintings and stuff all over. Monorail's coming. Anyways, there's this really cool like paint by number community art project thing they're doing here at Epcot. So Taylor over here is gonna get a paintbrush and a number and do a little bit of painting. We're going over to the paint distribution tent right now to get our brush, paint. No, just the one. I'm not painting.
11.
Got 11. It looks like she picked her spot. She's over here contributing to the community art project. I thought it was busy earlier over near the land and the seas and all that stuff over there in that section of the park. The World Showcase is even busier right now. So we're just headed over to the UK Pavilion. I just made Taylor watch Christopher Robin. So we're on the hunt for some Winnie-the-Pooh stuff. Looks like we found some Winnie-the-Pooh stuff dang near straight away. It's almost like she knew where to go. Little Eeyore bag. An alarm clock. Looks kind of cute. What do you think of these Crocs? Here's the whole gang. Piglet, Eeyore, and Rabbit. Owl. The Bigfoot, right? That guy's pretty cool. You got this big old cuddle plush over here. This will run you $45.
Do they have the weighted one?
I don't know.
Eeyore?
And of course, what would a trip to Epcot be
Without Dalmatians.
without Dalmatians?
I got you a hat. Hold this. put this on.
No, that ain't gonna fit me. Let me try. I got a big head.
It fits your big old head.
It does kind of fit my head. I would wear that hat. Okay, so now we're in line to meet Pooh.
But I need a little Pooh one, just like the plushy one. Yeah, it's perfect. He's cute too, right? But you're cuter.
See you later, buddy. Thank you. All right, we came in, we got our magnet. We did a little painting. We met Pooh. We looked at some stores, we looked at some shops. We had an all right time. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.